Alright, 20 after 7 on Sunday, and we're just getting ready to go to Lindsay this morning to Brits in the Park, which is a nice little British car show that they have every year, sponsored by the Victoria British Car Club. A little foggy this morning. Boy, is it going to be hot. It's already really humid out, so we're going to be meeting Alain and his son Nick, I believe, and Les is already up at the storage location, and he's got the Capri all shined up apparently. So Les has had an earlier day than I. Anyway, we will catch up with Les, and Alain should be here shortly, so we'll see you then. This is kind of cool. Not sure if you're going to be able to see this through the windscreen, but with the variations in temperature outside, you see it's almost like a cloud forming on the outside of my windscreen and then sort of disappearing and then coming back. It's like driving through a fog, but not driving through a fog. Kind of weird. You see that? Well, she's still a wee bit foggy this morning. Alain is following me with Nick in the Spitfire, and they were saying on their drive in it was quite foggy, and actually I think they missed the exit off the highway. Anyway, it's going to burn off fairly quickly. The sun's coming out. It's pretty bright, and like I said, she's going to be a hot one today. Alright, should be there in about, well, we pick Les up in about 5 minutes. Alright, we're on our way. Beautiful day for a ride in the 60 TR3A. We got Ellen in the Spitfire behind us and Les in the Capri behind him. We'll take a bit more video along the way. Yeah, still a wee bit foggy out here. Got the headlights on for safety. We're at the bakery stop in Little Britain, Ontario. If you ever want some butter tarts, fantastic butter tarts here, and Chelsea bun. Got a few other guys have joined the group. A couple M&Gs, a couple TR6s. There's an award-winning TR6 right there, and of course the Spit, the Capri, and the TR3. So we are about I think another 20 minutes or so to the park where the show is at, so it's definitely starting to warm up. Alright, we made it to Lindsay, and the field's just starting to fill up. Man, it's going to be hot today. 6 TR3As here today, which is kind of cool. Lots of TR6s. And we will take a little bit more video once the place fills up a bit. I think it's about 9:30 or so. So people are still polishing. The shade trees are going to be at a premium today. Alright. Okay, we'll do a little walk around of the show. No particular order. Sprite. Nice little midget. A few Jags. 2,000 miles I rode. That's a beauty there. B-types. Nice color. Look, it's even in my color. It's a beauty. There's the old Nasty Cat, that supercharged Tiger. Into the Heelys. The 106. PJ8.
What cars do you like, Wallace? Do you have a preference?
I love the two-tone Coves. Beautiful black one. 3,000. Oh, really nice Stags. Nice and shady over here. Beautiful 57 Morgan +4.
Like you or little kids? Oh yeah, just comfort. Yeah, yeah. So I told her all the things I've been dreaming of. Now we're together every single day, singing new ideas. We're so happy and that's how I'm gonna stay, singing new ideas. But I'm hers, she's mine. I'm hers, she's mine. Wedding bells are gonna chime. I went down with the guy that wanted to be there. Yeah, in his car? No, we actually drove down in my car. So we drove down.
Right, we're going to have some more Queen coming up here. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Ian McNabb, the president of Victoria British Car Club.
Okay, into the Triumph section, starting with the Spitfires.
Yeah. So if we could have Steve Walker come up to the gazebo.
There's GT6 there as well.
Choice Award for 2018. Car number E1.
TR6s, 250s. A little patina.
I don't want it.
A couple of TR4s. This one's a little special. 6-cylinder nut. Another line of TR6s. Nice Java green. Don't see that color very often. It's 250.
Ladies and gentlemen, the wedding cake is over in the
Good to see some 250s out.
Is already cut and it will be.
Okay, this TR6 over here is a little bit special. Apparently it's a French TR6 and it actually has a fuel injection system, which we don't see very much here. So there's the original PI injection. It's very nice. And believe it or not, there's 7 TR3As here today. I don't know if I mentioned that already. Just cut through over here.
Our lives have changed. I bet.
All right, the MG area, the MGB area. Be awfully hot in the GTs today. At least it'll be shady. Quite a few MGs. Oh, look what we have down here. This is Capri all shined up in the shade.
No, that's so long.
Yeah, cool looking TVR.
And really reliable.
It's a TR6 engine, 2.5 liter.
Right. Stuff like that. Is that motor?
Yeah, that's right.
It's a 1949 Allard. The TVR. Alright, Sunday evening, just about 8:10. Still hot outside. What a hot day today. Anyway, we had a great car show today. I think the heat though, or with the heat, the attendance numbers were down at the show a little bit. So it wasn't as crowded as normal. But great show nonetheless. Saw some great cars, interesting cars. Our little group all made it home successfully, less myself and Ellen. I think Ellen had a little bit of overheating problems in the Spitfire, but I messaged him and he did make it home okay, so that's good. He still had about a 45 or 50 minute drive after he left us. It's about 45 minutes for him to get home from here. So a long drive for him today. And Nick, his son. So, as you can see, nothing got done on the 68 TR250. It will wait for another day. So, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to get to the Raptor liner as anticipated. That's okay. I'm just going to have to do a little bit extra sanding, put a little bit extra labor into that. And I'm no stranger to extra labor on this car. So we'll get around to it when we get around to it. I've got a busy week at work, so just preparing for that mentally, and preparing, I guess, mentally for when I can get back to this car, which will probably be by the end of the week and into the weekend. So this car will sit as it stands for a little while, unfortunately, but like I said, we'll hopefully get back to it soon. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. We'll upload what I've got as far as the show is concerned, and we'll get back out here when we can. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.